Hello, Math 130 students. This is Mr. Gibson, and I am here to show you how to navigate the JETNET site for the Math 130 course for the spring 2020 semester. The first thing that I need you all to do is first go to the JCC website and get on JETNET online class. And of course, you need to log in. Using your username and password, the same one that you use to get into your email. And then we need to go down to our course. Our course is Math 130 IS2. Okay, now to show you all how to navigate the JETNET site, I need to change my role from instructor to student. So you do not have to do this because you all will be a student, but I have to do this so you can see exactly what you should see once you access the JETNET site. Okay, now the first thing here, we have some of the general things. First thing is the syllabus. If you click here, the syllabus will appear for this course. We have the Connect Math. This is where you would do your quizzes, your homework, your prep assignments, and also your online exams. Now, the student resource page, this is another tool that you can use as far as for your for different resources for the course. Now, the big blue button session, this is what I'm using to record the class sessions. Now, our class meets on Mondays and Wednesdays as far as the synchronous teaching sessions, and they're from 1 to 3 p.m. Now, this was stated when you all signed up for this course. It was in the notes that I will do the synchronous teaching during this time. And the videos that are created that I do from Big Blue Button, that will be recorded and will be available within 24 hours. And I will show you how you can access those videos. Okay, now, also, if you need to know how to access Blue Button, aside from the video we have here, there's a video I made that's general for accessing Big Blue Button. Now, for your video notes. It says here are links of video notes for each chapter and section of the course pack if anyone is not able to attend the Big Blue sessions. So in order to get the notes, you need to follow these steps. Click on the chapter, find the section you need and click on the video, take your notes, and complete the assignments associated with the sections, which we would get to. This is separate from the Big Blue Button sessions. Now, if you watch the Big Blue Button sessions, I'm saying those videos, you don't need to watch these video note videos. But that will be explained a little bit more later. Okay, number 6, the assignment calculator. Says below, the assignments for the class are listed for each week of this course. You can follow the assignment calendar to know what is due each week. Make sure to check Connect Math for due dates for prep, homework, and quizzes. Check-in assignment due dates are listed below. Now, number 7 is the check-in assignments. All check-in assignments are due Friday by 8 p.m. and the week notes are completed for the sections. Again, the check-in assignments are due Friday by 8 p.m. and the week notes are completed for the sections. So for example, if we complete the notes for, I think this week we're going to complete the notes for sections 1-4 and 1-5. So when we're done with sections 1-4 and 1-5 Wednesday, you will have until Friday to complete the check-in assignments, Friday by 8 p.m. Now, this also gives you the best way to contact me, which is email, by phone, remind, or during our Big Blue Button sessions. Now, in order to get responses within 24 hours, please contact me before 4 p.m. Monday through Thursday. Now, below here, there's a brief description about me, but I want you to take a look at these resources here. It says, please click below to access Big Blue Button or the chapter videos for notes. Okay, now, first thing with Big Blue Button, you will click here. and it will take you to how you would access Big Blue Button. Now, if you notice here on this page, it has a join session. So if it's between 1 and 3 p.m., you could click on join session and join the class for my synchronous teaching sessions. And then also, just to let you all know, when you sign in, you will have an option of the microphone or the headphones. Please pick the microphone. You pick the microphone and then just put it on mute. Because like I've told your classmates, when I'm teaching, a lot of times I don't see what's typed in the chat area because I'm teaching. But if you have your microphone on, you could take it off mute, and then I would hear it, and then I would alert me to look in the chat box or wait for you to say something. So if you do not want to say something, all you have to do, click the mic, and then once you click the mic, you could go back and mute it again and then type something. So you still don't have to say anything, but that's a quick way to alert me that you do have a question. Okay, now the next thing I mentioned about videos for the course. If you notice here, these videos are date stamped. So what you could do, like for instance, the first day of class was the 18th. There was a little technical difficulties. That's why it's 2 videos instead of 1. But if you notice, the dates are the same. So what you could do, the earliest time is 12:47. If you missed that class, you could click on video, not statistics, but video. You click on video, and then the video for the class will show up. It's taking a little time here. And then all you would do is press play, and then the video will play and show what we discussed during class. Now, I want to go back here. Let me go back. It is taking a little while here. All right, so let me scroll down here. Now, those videos are for the Big Blue Button session. But let's just say you're like, well, I may want shorter videos, but it still gives me the notes. Now, these videos were videos that were shot by myself and also the lead faculty for the course. These videos just go straight to the material. There's no questions asked by any classmates or anything like that. It's just that you would click on the link and it would take you directly to whatever videos you want. So let me click here. Now, with this here, it's going to take you to YouTube. Now, of course, like I said, it'll be my YouTube channel or the lead faculty YouTube channel. Now, what you would do, you would scroll down here and pick the section. We cover 1-1 through 1-3 the past week. Now, some of the videos are broken up into parts, and it will let you know that. But when you see here where it's not an A, B, or part 1 or part 2, that lets you know that this is the whole video. So this is the whole video for 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3. And you could click on them in order and then also watch them. And that's for any of these videos. And it tells you what videos are available when you click on these links here. And it's videos for the whole class, and it's all done based upon the course pack. Okay, now we come here. I want to skip down to week 2 because week 2 is where I'm actually starting this video at. Okay, well, week 2, we have check-in assignment 1.4. That's the only check-in assignment you will have to do for week 2 is 1.4. So you'll click on it, and then it would take you where you would fill out the information, your name, and it tells you, and this is according to your course pack, it'll tell you what page to go to and what number that you need to write the answer for. This is to prove that you've actually been taking notes and also that you are engaged in the class. Then we have our prep assignments, homework assignments, and quizzes. Now, when you click on the prep, homework, or quiz, it's going to take you to the Connect Math website. It's going to take you directly here, and you will need to sign in using your username and password. And after you sign in, you're going to come to the class. Let me go directly to the class just to show you all these assignments. Now yours look a little different than mine because all of your folders are open. So I'm going to open up all of my folders here. And then this week we will be starting at section 1.4. So under 1.4, you see you have a prep assignment, you have the homework assignment, and you also have the quiz. So you have all these that you have to do in Connect Math. Now, as you scroll through here, as you go through all of these sections and do all of these assignments, you will have an exam, exam 1. Now, exam 1 is not shown to you. None of the exams will be shown to you until the date that is actually due. The date for exam 1 is June 8th. So it would appear as soon as June 8th starts at midnight, it would appear and it would give you until June 14th to get the exam completed. So it will be all here on Connect Math. So now, when you scroll down here every week, it will have every last assignment that you're supposed to complete, and you would just click on it. And from prep assignments all the way down to quizzes, this is going to take you to Connect Math. The check-in assignments are going to take you to another Google form that you will fill out those topics. And you will go through this all the way up until the end of class. But let me go here to what's that, week 3, or actually, I'm sorry, it's week 4. Okay, well, week 4, even though we will be starting on chapter 2, this would be the start of your exam because remember, your exam starts June 8th and it ends June 14th. We will have the exam 1 review. And when you click on the exam 1 review, it's going to take you to Connect Math. Now, in Connect Math, there will be a review for the exam that you could easily access. Okay, class, I did make a little change real quick here. Instead of having this linked, the exam 1 review is no longer a link. What I did was I put exam 1 review download below. So basically, the exam 1 review would be here right in JETNET. So you could download the exam 1 review just by clicking on it, and it will pop up here. And this exam 1 review, what's nice about it is it also has the answer key with it. So once it loads up, I will show that to you. Looks as though it's taking a little while, but you could download this exam review. You could print it out, and then it has the answers here at the end. So you could check your answers. And then when you come to class and I go over the exam review, you would know what questions you have for the review. Now, the actual exam 1, the prep assignments, the homework, and quiz 2. When you click on these, it will take you to the Connect Math site, which we went over before. And as you know, with the check-in assignments, you click on that, it will take you to a Google form to fill out. So that's basically it. Every week, it will have these type of assignments that you would need to complete, and it will take you directly to where you need to go unless you need to download something. Now, if you have any questions on how to navigate this site, please let me know. You can email me, go to Big Blue Button, or call me. But this is basically how the class is set up as far as the assignments are concerned. And I hope that this video has been helpful, and have a wonderful day.